Hello, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel, your go to spot for all things tech. In today's tutorial, we're diving into one of WhatsApp's privacy features, the last seen status. Have you ever wondered how to see someone's last seen on WhatsApp even if they've hidden it? Stick around because that's exactly what we're uncovering today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech tips and tricks. First off, let's clarify that WhatsApp values users' privacy, so there's no straightforward official way to bypass someone's privacy settings if they've chosen to hide their last seen status. However, we'll explore some workarounds and third party tools that might give you some insights. Remember, it's important to respect everyone's privacy and use these methods responsibly. One of the simple methods to get an idea about someone's activity is by observing the online status. Even if the last seen is hidden, whenever someone uses WhatsApp, the status changes to online. Another approach involves sending a message. The check marks beside a WhatsApp message indicates its status. One gray check for sent, two gray checks for delivered, and two blue checks for read. If you notice the check marks changing, the person is likely active. For a more detailed analysis, third-party apps like WhatsLog or ChatWatch claim to track WhatsApp usage patterns and last seen status even if hidden. But proceed with caution. Using such apps might violate WhatsApp terms of services, and there is always a privacy risk involved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have any other tech tips or hacks you'd like us to explore? Let us know. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tech tips.